Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about the Why Sinhala Guide 2026. So, why is Sinhala Guide 2026? Sri Lankan users watch this before you first transfer. So, here is first understand what WISE does. WISE lets you send money internationally and have recipient receive LKR into local Sri Lankan bank account. This recipient generally doesn't need their own WISE account. So start transfer, open up your WISE, then choose right here send, then click on add. There you go. So after right here, all you need to do is put in LKR. There you go, Sri Lankan rupee. Then right here, all you need to do is enter in the recipient's name, number. So when easy as that. Then put in the bank details, then you're done. Then check the fee before paying. So wise use the mid-market exchange rate, which is what you see on Google. That will be the amount you'll receive, and it only has a small fee for the transfer. So yeah, there you guys, that's how I do it. And a quick tip for you guys: don't use a VPN or fake location when you're creating or using Wise from Sri Lanka. Use your real location and account information. Wise says using the service from unsupported location can result in restriction, cancels, or maybe refund transfer or additional verification. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, concerns, sabi to question below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and thank you, guys.